Nice to meet everybody. See everybody here tonight. My name is Craig with Mass Compute. We are and have built an AI cloud that is an alternative to AWS. So if anybody here needs or wants GPUs by the hour, that's what we have. That's what's available. 50 cents, a dollar, $2. Have them for a few hours, a few days, a few weeks, a few months, etc. We are an NVIDIA cloud service provider and endorsed and supported by NVIDIA. So we get preferential access to NVIDIA GPUs, software development kits, engineering teams, etc., and allocation, which is super helpful and important. Is it? Okay, so if anybody has not heard of Hugging Face, I'd say check that out if you're interested in AI. There were about 50,000 LLMs last year. There's, what does this say, 410,000 right now. Most of those LLMs were written by people like us in the audience, individuals, not big companies. Everybody's heard of Anthropic and OpenAI. If you're in the AI space already, you may have heard of Hugging Face. The public cloud growth is expected to be 40% compounded annual growth. You can see just the number of LLMs. Okay, there you go. And so how fast is AI growing? Everybody has heard of NVIDIA. They've tripled revenue in 1 year, 6 billion to 18 billion. Probably the fastest growing company in the history of the world. That is organic, not through acquisitions. Number of AI companies, there's about 2,500 new AI companies just in the Bay Area in the last year. And there's the number for the Americas. So I have a short video that my CTO, president and co-founder.
Thank you, Santa Cruz Works, for having here at AI Horizons Part 2. We at Mass Compute are excited to share with everyone how we, as an NVIDIA service provider, empower and enable each of you to be your own founder and innovator. Mass Compute enables you to create your own AI companies, LLMs, our avatars, research breakthroughs, and more. I'm going to pass it over to Cynthia, so I'm going to show some examples of what I'm talking about.
Thank you, Sunny. Hello, everyone. I am excited to share what people are creating using AI. Most of you are probably on video calls all day. Being from Santa Cruz, it would be lovely to have a background on all your video calls overlooking the ocean. We can use generative AI to create a new unique background for you that makes people think you have a stunning ocean view from your home. Another exciting area is using AI to write part or whole entire software applications. New models are being developed to specifically help improve the software that is created today. These AI models can be assistants or truly generative, like in this example. An AI model generates every line of code needed to produce the game Snake. AI can be incredibly helpful to create content, documents, emails. Maybe you need help creating the framework for some important documents. Generative AI with large language models can help build the initial text for something as important as a business plan, for example. If you want to learn more about how to get started on these and other AI business endeavors, please talk with Craig Gehringer, who is with you tonight from Mass Compute. For now, I will send it back to Sunny.
AI actually finds its roots all the way back to 1956. In 1974, the first trumpet event, AI was all the future. The world was going to be different. But it didn't materialize. Instead, we saw the first AI winter. In 1986, it happened again. The future was all about AI, but it didn't materialize. Because both of these times, all the way back to 1956, we lack one important component: compute. Today, the hyperscale compute that we see, AI is finally able to materialize as we've always dreamed. And today, the future, the promised future of AI is upon us. Hello again. I'm standing here in our first data center that we opened about 2 years ago. We started with about 20 servers and 160 GPUs. Today we have hundreds of servers and thousands of GPUs spread across 4 data centers. Just for scale, combined, the servers that I'm standing in front of here are measured in petaflops. A petaflop is 1,000 million floating point operations for seconds, every second of every day. It's really become incomprehensible. And this is just a tiny fraction of the total GPU compute that is powering the AI applications today and research for tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and I hope when you start your AI journey that you'll look us up. Thank you.
Okay, well, anyway, I will forward that to anybody if they wanted to see the whole thing, the fun thing. We did an avatar. We have some other avatars. Our CTO helps and works with people to build their own LLM. So if anybody in the crowd wants to build their own LLM, 475,000 people in the world have already done it. Come talk to us. We'll help you do it. We'll help you start your own company.